It's very important to have values in life. Yeah. And
When there is a flame, someone's bound to get burned.
another thing that I learned is walk through the fire. Yeah. Yeah. So as we grow up, we experience a lot of things. We experience being drained at school, struggled in a lot of things, experience family issues, financial issues, kung ano pang mga issues sa buhay. So one thing that I learned when I stopped attending school is to walk through the fire. It was the financial issues that the main problem that stopped me to attend school. So after kung mag-stop ng school, when I was working, it's really hard to think that your classmate is studying at school and you are working, earning money for yourself, and you are lending money to your family. So it's like early for you, but if you accept it in yourself with the bottom of your heart, you will be okay. So you might experience discomfort in life. Walking through the fire, it will help you to grow and to accept it completely. Because there is better tomorrows. Some mistakes or some lessons comes from, the things that hardest. Sometimes walking through the fire is taking the risk,
Taking
putting yourself in the process,
Yes.
right? Especially when you are in middle life crisis. So if you're feeling down, walk through the fire. Allow yourself to experience all the emotions without judgment. Recognize your emotion. It is normal to be sad, to angry, to be confused, especially when you are taking a different path from your classmates or the people around you. Walk through the fire because better days come. When you walk through the fire, you will not burn. There is a song that
Where there is a fire, there's
is not
gonna be a flame.
and
When
where
there
there
is
is
a
a
flame,
flame,
someone's bound to get burned.
another lesson that you can share?
So it's actually nice yung walking through the fire because eventually in our life we will experience this fires or things that will be hard for us, that will burn us. Walk through the fire because masasanay ka rin, and
Uy, it's true. Masasanay ka rin.
masasanay ka rin, and then
And one
that's
day,
actually the reality So you must accept it. But if you think that it's unacceptable for you, then eventually if you walk through the fire, you will learn the things that you must do. The second thing that I've learned when I go out of school is that it's important that you know what your goal is and what your values are. Because if you know what are your goals and values, everything that we have said earlier, the challenges that we have encountered, to sum up, those are the things that we feel because we don't know where to go, what to do, what are the things that we should prioritize in life. Because after all, I think when we were at school, our goal is to finish, and yet we got separated from that goal, making our life messed up. So, ano nang gagawin ko? Saan ako pupunta? So, that's the part where we will be confused, we will get hurt. And if you know what your values are, what your goals are, that won't ever stop you from achieving it. So, look at your values in life. What are my values? My values are kindness. So if wala ako sa school, I can still show kindness to other people, gratefulness. I can still be thankful of this opportunity, maybe because this opportunity was given to me so that I can have time to improve on myself. Well, while all of my classmates are still on school, I can improve on myself. I'm still grateful for the opportunity because I have the chance I have the freedom of time and to do everything I like and everything I really wanted to do in life. Maybe this is the time that I can pursue my passion. Diba? So that's value. Now goals. For example, your goal is to become an architect. However, na-stop ang goal mo because you are out of school. And that doesn't mean you can't study architecture inside school. you can still study architecture even outside school. You can watch YouTube videos, tutorials, so that once you are able to go back to school again, you are prepared and you have information ahead to your classmates. See, that's still an advantage for you, diba? So again, it's important that you know what your goals and values are in life because it won't affect you if there are things that come along the way. Because if you know your focus, whatever circumstances that will come along with it, it will never be an hindrance because you are walking towards your goal and you know to yourself that once you continue, there is a goal or an achievement that will follow. So again, those are some of the things that we've learned while we are out of school and adulthood, independence and such. So, right.
It's very important to have values in life.
Mhm.
Yeah. And I think that's the one thing that I set myself this year,
Mhm.
to have values. And speaking of that, one of my values is gratitude.
Gratitude.
Yeah. Yeah.
Being thankful.
Yes, I think it's important. I mean, you appreciate small things. Just be
Mhm.
thankful of you have what you have. Be thankful that there is a food that you eat. There is a air that you breathe. There is a water that you drink. There is people that supporting you. There are supporting characters in your life. You know those kind of things. Yes, gratitude.
Yeah.
So in this video, I hope you learned something from us. There is this saying that no matter how good or bad the situation is, it will change. So let there be known. Let this video be a message to you that it is okay to take a different path. That no matter where you are in your life, I'm not saying for the location, in your life, situation in your life, certain moments in your life, it is okay. And remember to feel all the emotion, understand them, recognize them, have hopes in life. And good luck, and also good luck to the both of us. Thank you so much for watching. Yalla yalla. See you to my next video. Bye.